Nowadays, people are very busy and have a very active lifestyles. It's very hard to find a time for themselves. For those who want to have an ideal appearance and want to change something in themselves, they can consider some plastic surgery operations. But unfortunately, some of them have a very long healing process. That's why in this video we're going to talk about 3 processes that takes minimum of your time and may help you to look much more younger and make you feel much more happier. So the first one is, of course, liposuction. Nowadays, technologies help you to look much more younger and help you to get rid of your stubborn fat in your body. So it takes about 1 or 2 hours and you can come back to work about after 2 or 3 days. But first of all, consult with your doctors and you can see the results normally in 2 or 3 days. So that's why you can become very happy with this operation. The next thing is of course blepharoplasty. If you have some problems with your eyelids, if you have sagging skins on your eyelids or any other problems with your vision, then you can consider these operations. It lasts for about 30 minutes or 1 hour and you recover on the next 2 or 3 days. The one thing that you should consider that you might have to wear sunglasses during 1 week. Third operation that you might consider and which happens much faster than any other operations is lip enhancement. If you are in a need of changing your appearance and you want to change something and very fast, then please consider this operation. It will help you to look much more attractive. If you consult with your doctors, he will advise the shape of the lips, which will make you much more happier. If you want to know more about this kind of operation, fast plastic surgeries, then please leave your comment below or call us on the numbers that you can see over here in the video. Please consider to follow our channel and check our website if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.
You can contact us immediately via our WhatsApp number or click the link in the video to ask our doctor questions via email.